How many hours of sleep do I usually get? About 6 or 7. How tall is my brother? 6'7". How many NBA championships does Michael Jordan and Robert Horry have, respectively? 6 or 7. How many minutes should you cook a really big steak if you still want it to be medium? 6 or 7. How many bullets do revolvers usually hold? About 6 or 7. I kind of feel old these days. With 6'7" being all the rage, I'm starting to go and think, in my day, 6 was afraid of 7. Like, why are 6 and 7 so chummy all of a sudden? In my day, 6 was afraid of 7. 'Cause 7, 8, 9. 'Cause 7 is prime and odd. 7 is mean and racist.